Hi, I'm Karen Scott and I'm one of the owners from Poolwerx Mandurah, and we're located at the Silver Sands Shopping Centre near IGA on the corner of Anstruther Road and Mandurah Terrace. We've been in the Mandurah store for over 10 years and we have a great selection of pumps, chlorinators, filters, cleaners and a great selections of toys to have some fun in your pool in the summer season. We also have 5 service vehicles, so if you can't get into store to come and see us, we can actually come out to you and make your life a little bit easier. All of our staff undergo ongoing training, we are fully insured and we have a combined experience of over 50 years. Come down and see us at the Silver Sands Shopping Centre. We're located conveniently near IGA, the bakery, the post office and right across from the Sands Tavern. We're on the corner at Anstruther Road and Mandurah Terrace.